Hi there. Welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where we turn science into fascinating stories. Imagine this, a world where our homes, cars, and cities run on clean, limitless energy. It's not a far-off dream. It's happening now with renewable energy solutions. Solar energy is leading the way. Every hour, the sun delivers enough energy to power the entire planet for a year. Solar panels capture this incredible resource, turning sunlight into electricity that powers our lives. And what about wind energy? We've harnessed the wind for centuries, and today modern turbines are generating electricity for millions, even on nights when the sun isn't shining. Hydropower is another game changer. By using the natural flow of rivers and dams, we've created one of the most reliable sources of renewable energy. Ever thought about waste? Biomass energy turns organic material like plants and food waste into fuel. It's a win-win. Less waste, more power. And let's not forget the oceans. Tidal and wave energy, driven by the moon's pull and water's movement, are emerging as exciting new sources of clean energy. The best part? Renewable energy isn't just about fighting climate change. It creates jobs, cuts air pollution, and paves the way for a healthier, more sustainable future. This isn't just a solution, it's a revolution. By embracing these technologies, we're not just powering our lives, we're protecting our planet for generations to come. The energy of the future is here. Let's use it to build a cleaner, brighter tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and see you next time. At Orbital Adventures, we're not just exploring science, we're inspiring the next generation too. We're encouraging kids to explore the world around them through fun and engaging stories. Scan the QR code now to discover our books and spark a love for adventure and learning.